I'm not married nor am I engaged, but I do really enjoy making bridal templates for the girlies who are engaged. So, today I'm going to teach you how to make a really cute tee. Welcome to my wedding sign that you can print as TVS. Download the template, buy the template, do the tutorial, whatever floats your boat. But I'm going to show you how to make it for the Lowski. First things first, you're going to make the canvas 24 by 36 inches. That is the most average and popular size of wedding signs. If you want it larger, you can always resize it. But anyway, you're going to put welcome to thee at the top of the canvas in Bodoni, FLF. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going to take away the bold on that font by going to format and clicking on bold to get it off of it. Then I'm going to duplicate the exact same font and size of the font and put wedding of. Welcome to the wedding of. That's all we're doing right now, girl. Make sure to center so it looks very professional. Of course, we're doing this ourselves or you're buying the template, but we're going to make sure you look good either way. Then you're going to click on heading. Add a heading, click on it. You're going to put your fiance's name in Alex Brush font. You can either put the bride's name or the groom's name first, whatever floats your boat. But there should be 2 names. How many? 2 names on this sign. Don't forget that. I don't know who Joshua is, and I definitely don't know Sarah. But then you're going to duplicate the wedding part of the wedding of and do and. Go to the T with the little arrows going the other way and increase the letter spacing to give it more space, to make the and longer. You're elongating the and. And then I'm going to duplicate Joshua and put that right underneath the other and I'm going to put the other person going to the wedding's name. Sarah, Josh and Sarah, congratulations. I'm going to play around with that to ensure that it is centralized and it looks good. And then I'm going to go ahead and bring down welcome to the wedding of because I feel like it was too much white space. So I brought it down a little bit. You can do that as well if you would not like to. Keep it the way I did it before. And then after that, you're going to go to add a little bit of body text. And with that, it's telling me to go to sleep, but I'm up making tutorials for y'all. Add a little body text and you're going to put, we want to thank you, or we are so glad you're here, or this is the wedding of the century. Or if you want to put a little corny joke there, whatever you want to do. Again, this is your wedding. This is your day. I put that in the same font as, I put that in Crimson Semi-Bold, Crimson Semi-Bold. And then I'm going to go to, can get my words out, text with the arrows going both ways and increase the letter spacing to 120. We are so glad you're here. And then after that, I am going to put the date of the wedding. I'm going to add a little bitty body text again to under, we are so glad you're here. And then I'm going to put the date of the wedding. You can either do it Roman numerals, like however you want. You can put the actual date. You can put the days, like the actual numbers. Whatever you want to do. Again, this is your wedding. I'm putting that in Crimson Semi-Bold again. And that's really the end of the tutorial. It's really simple, really quick. This is going to look great on your wedding day, especially for your entrance. And I'm going to show you a mock-up of how it would look. And there you have it. If you want to purchase this template, click on Shop Canva Templates on my website. Or do this and make it yourself. Either way.